Hey there, Internet. Keev here, and welcome to the CARSWITHKEAV YouTube channel. In this video, we're going over a very cheap budget air foamer. Now, air foamers have been around, but I never really got one because they were so expensive, and I really didn't know if it was worth it or not. Griot's had one, it was well over $100, and then Tornador has one, right, for like $145. Now, this one, yes, it's cheap. It's all plastic, but it's like $19.99. It's got a coupon right now. It's $15.99, but the black isn't available anymore. It's like a teal color now. I've had this for quite some time. I'm kind of having to fill in a video because I have like 5 pressure washers coming to me from different companies to review, but they're all not coming until next week. So I have this so we can get this, get a video out. Could this replace a battery powered sprayer or a pump sprayer or something like that when it comes to wheels and tires, using my Maniac wheel and tire? I don't necessarily know about any other thing, but obviously we'll check to make sure. And the biggest thing I wanted to see is something like this with the air compressor. Is it powerful enough? Because obviously an IK is like 45 PSI. We're going to be pushing 90 to 100 PSI through this. So we'll be able to use a much weaker dilution. So incredible Suds, which is what we're going to be using in this video for most of the testing. CARSWITHKEAV save 10%, DIY Detail, or the House of Rags. Just an amazingly cleaning soap. But with an IK or any other kind of sprayer, you usually have to go to about 150 to 1. And that's kind of where that line of where it foams really well and it doesn't. I have in here, this is 250 to 1. So this is pretty close to the dilution that comes out of a regular foam can, which is closer to 300 to 1. Incredible Suds is usually a very purplish. This is like almost like a blue. Like it's very light in dilution. I have it set over here. We're going to do Maniac wheel and tire as well. I've decided to do that kind of last minute. Like, you know what? After testing, I was like, that'd be really good for wheel and tire. Because I tried it out before because I didn't want to show something that was just going to suck. And actually does pretty well. So over here, these don't come with it. It does not come with bottles. That's part of the reason why it's $15.99. But this will work with any normal of these type of thread patterns, whether it's a 20-ounce Mountain Dew bottle, a DIY Detail empty soap bottle, a soap bottle from any other company, Solo bottles, which I prefer for this, work really well just because they're HDPE. They're going to handle pretty well. It says it has alkaline and acid resistance. It's just plastic. There's air compressor shooting through. Like, what's the worst going to happen? A gasket goes bad, you just replace the gasket. So there you go. Got your air fitting at the end. This comes all together. The only thing you have to do is this thing comes apart and it just kind of compressions on there. That's it. And then at the front here, this comes off, and inside, it's just a Brillo pad. A circular Brillo pad. So here's your spray button. Now, it's not exactly very ergonomic. It's just a flat piece of plastic, right? And then the tubing here, they give you a much longer tubing. I've already cut it to the length that I currently want or need. Now, on the tube, it does give you a filter. It just a little screen broke out like immediately, so just let that all over the floor. But here's the length of tubing. So you could have multiple different types of bottles with this tubing. So you can have a solo bottle, you can have a 2-liter bottle, you can have whatever. You could have a pitcher like this and just feed a straw. Now I tried this entire length straw wise, it didn't pull very well from the floor. Now if I held it in my hand and I had it kind of level with it, the gravity was a little bit better and it pulled better. But if it was on the floor just pulling straight up, it wasn't great. I think this bottle is like the perfect type of bottle for this. It's better than you would think. I know it's very cheap, and the gimmick would be the word. You know, I want to be very precise on my wheel and tire. And a lot of the sprayers, the air compressor sprayers, the tip is very wide, and there's a chance of overspray. And when you use a foam cannon, there's a chance of overspray. Now, IK is coming out with a tip that's supposedly supposed to narrow it down. That could help out a lot. But this, it's very, very, very small, and it puts out a little bit of pressure too. So before we get into the testing, check links below for anything in the video. Product tags, discount codes down there as well. Keev merch links. The link to my Lawns with Keev YouTube channel is there as well. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a small creator that you can support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's have some fun. Now I've already mixed this, and I've shown this in other videos before. This is a magnetic stir. And I already have a picture here with 875 milliliters of water. I just kind of want to show you how this works. And then also I have this funnel right here that goes directly on these types of bottles that makes it very easy to pour these solutions. This Maniac pail goes boom, right in the middle. Pour a Maniac until it reaches 1,000 milliliters. That's going to give us a 7 to 1 dilution ratio. You just turn it on. Put about halfway because it's a very small container. We don't need full blast. And it just mixes. I freaking love it. It works really good with Incredible Suds because Incredible Suds is really thick, like a pitcher like this. And it mixes that entire pitcher, no problem. This is a great way to fill up a bottle and do stuff without getting frothy, like foam everywhere. It just works out better. All right, so we got a full bottle there. And we're gonna try that a little bit later. We're gonna spray it on my Telluride wheel and tire to see how well that works. I haven't tried at all with that, only with the Incredible Suds. All right, so when spraying this, I would think you need a pretty decent amount of air. I have a 20-gallon Husky over there, and it says in the instructions 6 to 9.28 bar, which is like from 87 to 135. I'm just gonna sit right at 100. From a distance, it'll just spatter, right? You get a little bit closer, and you see this foam. This is 250 to 1 Incredible Suds. Normally we're doing 150. I mean, that right there is just, that's really good. See how it's moving? It's runny. It's not super crazy thick. And I think that's better overall. And if you want a bit thicker, you just move back a little bit. And remember, at 250 to 1, it's going to be a little bit runnier. We get a little bit heavier of a dilution, we're going to get foamier foam. I just think personally for what this would be used for, I think this is pretty good. But we'll try a little bit heavier dilution just to see. But man, and then right up close, it's got a little pressure to it. Get a little bit further back. It covers pretty well, but I would definitely say that it is not meant for a covering a whole car, I don't think. I thought possibly this could be a solution for in the garage to foam the car and being really accurate with your dilution versus saying using a foam cannon. It's possible, maybe one of the other bigger brands, and if you change the nozzle maybe, because you can cover. When you get the right thickness, it dwells quite well. It's taking a lot of effort to cover the whole panel, which is why I think this is more, like I said, you're just basically replacing an IK with this. And obviously you're limited to the size of the bottle because obviously a bigger bottle is going to be heavier on this little plastic assembly here. More than enough to do a set of wheels and tires. And for me, I'm in the garage, I'm right outside the door. The amount of time it takes me to walk around with the air hose. I mean, I have an air hose reel right there on the wall. It's not like it's not convenient compared to an IK. Even with an IK, I still have a hose to deal with. I still have to pick it up and walk it around. I don't think it's any more inconvenient other than you're attached to a hose. But like I said, with an IK Foam Pro 12, you're attached to the hose. Now, the Foam Pro 2, the new eFoam Pro 2 is coming out. At some point when I get one, I'll review it. Or the Nuberia or the SPTA or any of those electric ones. Obviously, much, much more convenient being able to walk around and not have a hose attached to you. I also would say that the amount that's being pushed out, this is probably emptying faster than most of your cordless battery sprayers as well. But you're not limited to your battery power, you're limited to your air compressor tank. Now I'm gonna tell you, do you really need a pressure washer? A garden hose with a CARSWITHKEAV nozzle with a 0.3 millimeter filter on it. It does quite well. All right, so as you can see, we have a much darker color here. This is about, it's like 100 to 1. Now this is already wet, so it's gonna be spraying onto a wet panel, but yeah, look at that. What is that like from far away? It's like a snow party. It's a snow party. Now that is some dry, thick foam. Maybe a little too dry. Like, you know, it's just falling off as a huge block because it's so heavy. Up close. Look at that. Wow. There's your dimes. I gotta say, it's fun as hell though. Look how fast it's falling and then it's just completely drying right here. It's way too dry. It's too dry. But if you want a foam party, it'll work for that. The goal is, can this be used as a solution to cover the wheels and tires and be very focused and not get overspray on the rest of the car? So I'm going to start out in the middle. I mean, that's not bad, and we barely used any chemical. Like, that worked pretty well. And look at that Maniac wheel and tire. I keep my car clean, and just the brown that you get just from 7 to 1. That thing about too up here in the rear wheels too. I mean, that's pretty good. Very little overspray. All right, so here's real world. We're switching from one side to the other. So we did the entire car and we still have half the bottle. So we could have 2 washes. So when you're done, it's switched out to a bottle full of deionized water, and I just want to clean it out. Can it spray rinseless? This would be what rinseless would be like. Yeah? I don't think it's a good solution for that though, but cleaned up, ready to go. And I know most of you are gonna be like, that's just a gimmick. It's just like, well, I guess you could say it is, but on the wheels and tires outside, I proved that really from a convenience standpoint, as long as you have the air hose reel long enough, get from one side car to the other, it's the same amount rather than picking up a 2-gallon IK Foam Pro 12 and walking it to the other side of the car. You're still tethered to a hose either way. And the smaller ones, obviously they would be more convenient, but then people complain about them breaking in this now. Obviously this one will too, but it's only $16 right now. You could have a couple of them, or you could get the Tornador, which is like all metal. It would probably be a much better thing. Maybe I'll review it down the road, but man, for 16 bucks, I think it serves a purpose. We can get the tires done and everything. And I think it works whole car. No, not so much. Maybe some pre-treat. Something like that would work pretty well. You could have a whole different a bunch of bottles and swap them out, whatever you want. That's just, I'm just trying to figure out ways that this could be used. So there you go. Don't forget to links below for anything in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Product tags, discount codes on there, like CARSWITHKEAV merch, Lawns with CARSWITHKEAV channel down there as well. And here is a small creator that you can support. So here's the channel support, Dan's Diamond Detail. He comments quite often in videos. We have good conversations. And you can see he had a winter, spring, yum wash and some other things. You got to post more often though. Last video was a month ago. So there you go. Well, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Something I've been wanting to use. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh. Product tags, discount code, blah, 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 blah. Discount codes. And at the end of the video, I will show you a small creator that you can surprise. Where's my magnetic pill? Where's the pill? Wow, we've lost a pill. We have lost a magnetic pill. Where did my magnetic? Oh, it's over here. The pill went into the soda bottle. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We need to move this out of the way because it's creating a black background. Messes with my thumbnails.